Most general contractors don't fail because they can't get work. They fail because managing multiple crews, budgets, and timelines turns into chaos. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, general contractor software is no longer optional. It is the system that keeps your projects profitable, on schedule, and under control. In this video, you'll learn the best software for general contractors in 2026, what each platform actually does, and which one fits your business size and workflow. Let's start with one of the most widely used tools in the industry, Buildertrend. Buildertrend is built for residential builders and remodelers who need project management, scheduling, budgeting, and client communication in one place. A contractor like Alex can track job progress, manage subcontractors, and keep homeowners updated without constant phone calls. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Buildertrend is very strong for client communication and job tracking, but it can feel a bit heavy if you only need simple field operations or lightweight scheduling. Next is Procore. Procore is designed for large-scale commercial construction projects. A general contractor like Jake can manage RFIs, submittals, drawings, daily logs, and financial tracking across multiple job sites in one centralized system. But here's the problem. Procore is extremely powerful, but it comes with complexity and cost. Smaller contractors may find it overwhelming, or more than they actually need. Third is CoConstruct. CoConstruct is focused on custom home builders and remodelers. It combines estimating, selections, budgeting, and client communication in one system. A builder like John can manage custom client changes without losing track of project costs. It is very strong for residential workflows, but it may not scale well for large commercial operations. Now let's talk about JobTrade. JobTrade is a newer platform built for general contractors who want clean job costing, estimating, and project tracking without unnecessary complexity. It helps contractors stay organized from bid to final invoice. It is especially useful for growing contractors who want structure without the heavy learning curve of enterprise tools. Finally, we have FieldWire. FieldWire focuses on job site execution. It helps crews manage punch lists, plans, tasks, and field communication directly from mobile devices. This is where FieldWire stands out. It keeps field teams aligned in real time, especially when multiple crews are working on the same site. Now, here's the key insight most contractors miss. The best software is not the most advanced one. It is the one that connects your office planning with your field execution without breakdowns. So let's simplify it. If you want residential project management, Buildertrend is a strong choice. If you are handling large commercial builds, Procore is the industry standard. If you do custom home building, CoConstruct fits well. If you want a clean all-in-one system, JobTrade is a strong modern option. And if your biggest problem is field coordination, FieldWire is extremely effective. The biggest mistake general contractors make is choosing software based on reputation instead of how their teams actually communicate between office and job site. So the takeaway is simple. The best general contractor software is the one that keeps your bids, budgets, and field teams aligned without confusion. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns and comparisons like this.